Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream using icing sugar. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You will need 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ensure your mixing bowl and whisk attachments are thoroughly chilled before you start. This preparation step is vital for achieving the perfect fluffy consistency. Once your cream is in the chilled bowl, begin whipping it on a low speed. This initial slow pace helps to incorporate air without making a mess. After about 30 seconds, gradually increase your mixer's speed to medium-high. Continue whipping until the cream starts to thicken and you see soft peaks forming. This stage is perfect for introducing the icing sugar and vanilla. Now it's time to sweeten and flavor your cream. Reduce the mixer speed to low, then carefully sprinkle in the 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. This prevents a cloud of sugar from forming. Next, add the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once these are incorporated, increase the speed back to medium-high and continue whipping until the cream forms stiff, well-defined peaks. Be careful not to overwhip. Your delicious homemade cream is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately with your favorite desserts. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 2 days. If it appears slightly separated upon reuse, a quick, gentle whisk for about 15 seconds will restore its perfect consistency.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.